Hey everyone, it's Patty again from Art Out of Anything, and it's Thursday. So today I'm going to be doing something really simple and a lot of fun. And it mostly works with shapes. And again, it shows us a little connection between everyday objects and geometrical shapes, and also things that we can do at home just to have fun, since we can't be out all the time and go play with our friends in the playground or anything like that. This is probably better for younger children, but I have a feeling that everyone of any age could probably really enjoy it. The first thing I'm going to start out with is just a little fun thing I like to do with a piece of paper. And this is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And what I did was I folded it so that, and I folded the side so that I can actually get a square. So I'm just going to tear off the rectangle on the side of the paper so that I have a square. Okay, so now I have a square shape. Well, can I make a triangle shape? Yes, I can. Can I make a rectangle from this square? Yes, I can. Now I have a rectangle. Can I make another square from this rectangle? Well, yes, I can. And now I have a square, but I also have a diamond. Can I make a triangle? Yep, you bet. And this can go on and on and on as long as you like. And when you finish making it as tiny as you can, whether as a triangle or a square or a rectangle, when you open it up, you can see all the different shapes that we've made with our one square of paper. And now I always ask, after I do this little presentation, I make it a lot more fun than I just did for time constraints. I say, can I turn this into a circle? And usually kids say, yes, you can cut it. And I said, no, without cutting. I don't want to cut my beautiful paper. And they always wonder, can I turn it into a circle? Yes, I can. Because when you crumple it up and turn it into a ball is, of course, a sphere, a three-dimensional circle. Right? Okay, so we made a little paper ball, right? Which we do all the time. But today we're going to make a ball out of newspaper. And you might think, what's a ball out of newspaper going to do? Well, when you're bored in the house and you want to jump around and spend some of that energy, a newspaper ball can be amazing. It can be a soccer ball, it can be a baseball, it can be a softball, it can be a basketball. It can be anything. And the best thing about it is because it's paper and because it's light, you can bounce it off the wall, you can bounce it off the floor. It doesn't make any noise. You're using repurposed materials, right? So you're using newspaper or any kind of paper you have at home that you were going to throw in the recycling anyway. So you can repurpose it and you can make it as big or as small as you like. This one I made already to show you, and it's kind of small. It's not really big. But this is the way I started it. I just take a sheet of newspaper, crumple it up, and squeeze it together. And I haven't put any tape on it yet, but as I make it bigger, and it becomes a little harder to manage and stay together, then I start to put my tape on it. Hold it all, keep it in shape. Now, I do have some masking tape around the house, but honestly, this works with whatever tape you have. You don't have to have masking tape. You can do it with Scotch tape. You can do it with electrical tape. You can do it with duct tape. I even found, when I was cleaning out the linen closet this week, I even found some fabric tape, I guess for like first aid. And I had a few of these, so I figured I could use it to wrap my paper ball also. And I'm trying to find my scissors. Here they are. Today I'm in my studio. Even though it's a beautiful day outside, I decided just to do this from my studio today. So I take a little bit of fabric tape, and that works too. See? You can put any kind of tape you want. Whoa! And there it went. Any kind of tape you want around your ball. I have made newspaper balls that are this big, that are huge, that again you can use to roll. You can make your own games. You can just play in your house. And Have as much fun as you want, and don't have to worry about breaking anything or making a lot of noise. It's great for people who live in apartments because, like I said, it won't make any noise, and it's a great thing to play with, right? So get ready to make some newspaper balls and have fun. I'll see you next week. Bye.